NCERT Physics Class 11th, 7th chapter, which is System of Particle and Rotational Motion, question number 7.7. In this, we had given that two particles, each of mass m and speed v, travel in opposite parallel direction, separated by a distance d. So the distance between these two lines is d. These two lines are separated by a perpendicular distance d, so that the angular momentum of the two particle system is same whatever be the point about which angular momentum is conserved. So through different point we have to prove that the angular momentum is same. So let us consider that we are given with 3 points. Let's say one is point P, other is point Q, another is point R. And the mass of the given particles is m in both the situation. So if we calculate the angular momentum about P, then it comes out to be, so angular momentum about P, so the angular momentum of this upper particle would be 0. So only the angular momentum which is going about to come is of lower particle, and which is equal to mv into t. If we talk about angular momentum about R, again it comes about mv d. And if we talk angular momentum about point Q, so with respect to point Q, let's say this distance is y, then this distance would be d minus y. So angular momentum of upper particle can be written as mv into perpendicular distance, that is y, plus lower particle mv into perpendicular distance, that is d minus y. So from this we can say that if mv is taken common, then we have y plus d minus y. So from this the angular momentum about Q also comes out to be mvd. So we can say that angular momentum about P is equal to angular momentum about Q is equal to angular momentum about R. So in this case, the angular momentum is independent of point of reference. Through all the point, the angular momentum in this situation comes to be same.